Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to part 3 of this little nail biter series. If you want to see how I prepped this hand for practicing nail and bitten nails, then that is part 1 and you will be able to find that on my channel. I'll try and leave links, but if not, it is on my channel, so go check that out. You can also find out how I did tips and overlay on these bitten nails, but in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do nail forms. So I'm going to do an extension using nail forms for this. Now let's just keep in mind that I'm not a forms girl, I am more of a tips girl. That is what I'm training in. I'm not trained to use forms, so I do struggle a little bit, but I think I did an alright job. Please do leave me any advice or tips that you personally might have down below, but remember, there's no need to be mean. So I have just applied this form. We're going to do a stiletto kind of shape. I wanted to do the same shape that I got from the tips, as you can see on those 2 nails there. So that is what we're going to do. So you would obviously do all your regular nail prep, especially if you're doing this on a normal person. With your silicone hand, obviously, you can just practice doing the nail prep. But yeah, just thought I would pop that in there. So I am using Nail Nails Cameo for this, and it's really easy to work with and a nice neutral cover colour. And yeah, I'm just basically going in and starting to build up that nail. So I'm basically just going in and applying my beads as you would normally. I found this easier than I thought I was gonna because I struggled last time I tried forms. But yeah, this is really easy to work with as well, so I think that probably helped. And yeah, so I'm just going in, really making sure that I've got the structure nice and making sure that the nails are not going to be too thin, because obviously with the nail bitten nails, you've already got that sort of worry that the nails might not kind of take as well, or they might break easier. So yeah, let's just make sure that they're thick enough that they're not going to break. So I'm just checking here to make sure that they're kind of the same length as the other ones, which I guess you would do if you were doing forms. You would do that anyway, but obviously for me, I did 2 tips and 2 forms. You're just probably going to do like all the nails in one way, so you're going to be able to get them looking much more similar than mine. Just another thing to think about when you're doing nail bitten nails, in regards to measuring up to the number on the forms, you need to remember that some nails, the forms might be further down than others, so the length will not be the same on the same number, if that makes sense. Hopefully you understand what I mean, but even with this set here, this nail I'm doing now is actually a bit longer than the other ones, so the nail form starts higher up or lower down the nail, whichever way you want to say it, but I didn't go to the same number because they wouldn't have been the same length at the same number. I hope that that makes sense to you guys. I'm not explaining it very well, but hopefully you will understand what I'm trying to say. So for me, I find it a little bit easier to see what I'm doing once I take the foam off. So I kind of just I built most of the nail and then took the foam off, but I think some people like to just build like a tip kind of. But yeah, I do find it difficult to see what I'm doing when the foam is still on. Hopefully that makes sense. So I'm just taking the bead knife, tucking it into the cuticle and building some good structure for this nail. So make sure to be nice and careful when you remove the foam, because you don't want to like damage the nail in any way or like snap it off. But yeah, I just wanted to also show you guys you can use foams when you're working with the silicone hands. You've just seen me do it there on 2 fingers. It doesn't stick as well, but it's like I don't have any issues as long as you pinch it underneath and like tighten the top bits as well. Like like they stay on fine. So definitely go ahead and practice your foams on your silicone hands. There is nothing wrong with that. So once I'm happy with the structure of the nail, obviously we are then going to go in and file, and basically you're just going to go in now the same as you would. File as usual, side walls, cuticle area, do lots of contouring, smoothing out the nail, getting it in shape, get it how you want it. Just make sure that it's nice and structured and we've got a good apex, and yeah, just make sure your structure's there. That's really, really important, guys. Then I buffed over and I wiped off any dust, and it's time to go in with my gel polish. So in today's set, I'm using a Chiara Sky gel polish in the shade Chit Chat, and it's a really nice, like pastel-y purple colour. So that is what I'm going to do now. I end up going in with 3 coats. So I'm going to do this 1 coat and then I'm going to cure it. I'm then going to come back and do another coat and then cure that. And then I'm going to come back and do a 3rd and final coat and cure that. I didn't end up top coating these nails so they don't look super shiny in the end, because I am going to be doing a stamping video, or either stamping or decals. Actually, I think I decided on decals. I might have told you in the last video it was stamping. It's going to be one or the other. There's going to be some design going onto these nails. So yes, I didn't top coat, which meant I wiped off the sticky layer and they actually look kind of matte, and it actually looks kind of cool, as you can see here. So this is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to check out part 1 and 2 of this series, where you can find out how to prep the nail to do this, and also how I did the tips and overlay as well. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel because we upload so many videos and we have so much going on. Nails and makeup. I love you so much, you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!